Hello guys, welcome to my first tutorial, and in this tutorial, we are going to make this. So, let's begin. Firstly, delete the default cube and now add some text. Let's take Blender Fun. Right-click and extrude it. Now, hit R on the keyboard and then hit X key and type 90 to rotate the text on the X-axis. Afterwards, convert it to a mesh. Now select the mesh and tab into edit mode and adjust their distance between the letters. Turn on the rendered view. Now, go to the Particles tab and in a new particle system, change the number of particles to 2000 and the lifetime value to 70 to 80. Now go to the Field Weights tab and reduce the value of all the effectors except their magnetic field value. Also, change the velocity to 0. Now make a new collection name, Spheres. Add some UV spheres, let's take 3. Now make a new material. Choose Emission Shader and now pick a bright color. I am taking yellow. Now change the strength to 5. Go to the Render Engine tab and enable Ambient Occlusion, Bloom and Screen Space Reflections. Now make new materials for the other two spheres. I am taking pink and blue color. You can choose it yourself. Now select the text, go to the Particles tab, then click on the Render tab and choose Collection, then select the Spheres collection. Hit spacebar, then stop the playback on the frame which you like. Hit 0 to enter camera view. Now press N then go into view and check lock camera to view. And set the camera as per your need. Now let's add a plane. Scale it up and rotate it 90 degrees on X-axis. Make sure to adjust the plane so that it is behind the text. Also, make sure to move the plane to the first collection. Choose a new material for the plane. Choose Emission. And choose a darker color. Or let's take Principled BSDF shader. Increase the specular value to 1 and the roughness to 0, and choose black color. Now press F12 key or click Render. So this was it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.